It's Luis Castillo, and welcome today to a Chingu educational session. Today, we're gonna show you something that is very important and also very helpful when you're working as a developer and when you're making some mistake. And it is how to delete or undo git commits. In this project here that I'm presenting, um, had some I have some simple things here, just index HTML and just a boilerplate with HTML5. I also have this already in a repo. So this is basically a project that I was working on, talking about Git and GitHub, and I already made some commits. So add a few commits here. Um, if you see some code here, hello world, James, big tag message, things like that, right? So we have some scenario that we are working and we make some mistake and we wanna how can we make undo this thing, how to delete them, how can kind of go back to the previous stage when you didn't have any issue. So one of the things I can do is let's do we run the command uh git log and git log, it gives you the information, um, what the commit branch here, like the commit hash, the message, the author, who was, and the date and time, and more history. If you can see the one at the top is the head, and then it's the main one, which is the latest commit. And then right here, this is the second one, third one, things like that. So if I made a mistake, let's say I want to do this. Let's say try let's see from here. Okay, okay, clear. Um, Let me just do add another one. Let's do an H2, and I say um H2, and I go do git add, git commit, add H2, git push, main. If I go and refresh this, add a H2. There it is. If I do a git log, H2. H2 is the latest one, and this becomes before the latest one, and it's the head. So let's get out by pressing Q. Clear one more time to see this at the top. And let's go ahead and do. Let's say I want to delete um brand one of my latest commit. First of all, let's do this scenario because I wanted to go. Um, there's two one what is commit that you can do. You have locally and also remotely. So I will do another one just to do an H3, right? H3. Uh, Message. Follow the same part. Get add and get commit H3. Okay. I did get add and get commit, but I haven't do the get push, so it's not in my remote branch. So if I do click here, H2 is the latest one, but if I go here get log, H3 is the latest one. The reason is here is because I haven't pushed this commit. There is a, this is my latest one. Um, it's the head one, but it's not at the remote branch. So let's say if I want to delete this branch locally, because it's basically local, it's not in my remote. So let me just go and do clear. In order for you to do this, you want, like I say, you wanted to just pay attention on this part. H3 is my head, and it's in basically my main one, which is like my is the one who going. It's basically the latest one in my computer. So that's my head hash commit. Let me exit out here, clear again to go to the top. And in order for you to do that and delete it, the command you do is git reset um, dash dash hard space hard, and then you do head. Then uh, this little one here, and then you wanted to delete like that one. So when I submit this, um, no, I did type this wrong. Uh, it should be. Let me do uh dash 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 and cool. Yes. So if you notice, where is my H3? H2 is only here now. So the commit message, if I do a git log, I only can see now just in H2. So my local commit that I did, it was deleted. So this is how you can delete a commit that is on your local computer. Um, this is will help you if you made a mistake, but you notice it. You wanted to revert, go back, and go back and continue from there, and not include that commit message to your repo. This is how you would do it. So now let's exit out from here, and let's do here. So now how can you basically do now um how can you do uh a delete from the from the remote? So remote has an H2, right? So the way you can do this um, is basically this part. So you do git reset dash dash, and then you do R, then you do head. There, I guess this is the name, and then you do one, uh, one, and then should be C D H, and then enter. My bad. I think it will be R, git reset. Uh, dash yes, git reset. Dash dot hard, and then one. So this is going to delete my. It basically delete at h2. So if I do git log, yeah, I don't see an h2 one here no more. So now, but if I do go here, it's not deleted. In order for me to do now this, I need to push this, and I need to push it in order for me to delete it. How I delete that from the commit part? So what you do is it's you run this command, which is git push origin, then it will be head dash dash, and then we're gonna force it. We're gonna do force, um, and this is going to delete your remote branch. Now, if you do watch on add h2, if you do refresh, now the h2 commit is not there. So in order for you to delete a remote branch, this is how you can do it. Um, Another helpful one, this is kind of like one these scenario is basically how you can delete a local commit and also a remote commit. Okay, so this we're gonna close this for now, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Thanks.